Thank you so much. I just wanted to give you
The reason why I'm bringing you here is because I need to speak to you. I'm tired of your accuser story.
God will punish you. He will punish you. I don't know where to go.
Oh, Jesus. Help me, Jesus. I need your help, Jesus.
Go to your mother. I'm not your mother. I want to stay with me. Go. How can I come up?
Hey, Princess, good morning. Hey, tell me, can you come into work today? I know it's a public holiday, but I'll pay you double, make it worth your effort. You'll be here? Ah, thanks, eh. See you just now then. Ta. You made it?
Yes, I made it.
Good.
So, what's up?
You know what, eh? I've been thinking. I'm a busy man. I need to travel a lot.
Okay.
So, how would you like to become a shareholder of my business?
So, what are you proposing?
Oh, come on. Use your imagination.
So, you want me to sleep with you? Are you crazy?
Business partners, come on. Comes with perks.
No. Business is business. Don't mix business with pleasure.
You know, I can make life I love it easy for you.
How? I don't want your money. I'm an independent woman. I can do everything myself.
This is an offer for you.
I don't want it. If it means sleeping with you, keep it.
What's wrong with you? Huh?
What do you mean what's wrong with me? I don't want to sleep with you.